So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting this pop-up where it says that this WhatsApp account can no longer be used because, it's due to spam or something like that. Now, before you continue troubleshooting, the very first thing to remember is to understand, did you actually do a lot of spammy stuff inside of WhatsApp? If you went through and you were basically doing a lot of spam stuff, if you were doing a lot of crazy stuff like that, then you really don't have much of a choice. Your account is going to be removed and there's not really that much you can do about it. So it is unfortunate, but that's kind of the only way to go and kind of fix this is to just understand that, if you did a lot of spam stuff, there's not really that much you can really do about it. Now, with that being said, if you did go through and let's say you weren't really doing anything spam related and you think it was an accident, well, the best thing you can do here is to go through and look at the very bottom here. There's going to be a little button that says something like check review status or something like that. It's probably going to look something more like this, where you're going to see like a check review status button like that. If you see that, all you're going to want to do is click onto that button and you should be able to appeal this decision. That's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through, click on check review status and see once you've appealed it, what it basically looks like. Because you can appeal it and you can have them, kind of take a look at it. This is basically what it is, request a review. And so if that's what it is, click on request a review, have them take a look at it. And I don't know if they're able to explain the situation, but if it was a mistake, they'll go ahead and fix it. But if it wasn't a mistake, then they'll keep your account banned. So that's essentially how to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.